Microsoft Excel 365 has come up with a theme setting option that allows user to change the overall look of Excel. Now, you just need to go to the file section, click on option and click on general. Now you can see this option that says personalize your copy of Microsoft Office, and under the Office theme you have different option. Right now I have selected colorful and you can see the default setting. But if I go to the same option again and I choose dark gray, you can see the theme something that look like this. Now, this particular theme softens the contrast a little, giving me a more neutral feel that's easier on the eyes without being too dark. Now, apart from this, we have other options. Let's say black. Now, whenever you're going to select the black theme, you will see a new option coming up under the view tab that says switch mode. Now, if I click on it, you can see a darker screen, like a darker theme on the page. If I click on it again, you can see a brighter on the center and the dark theme at the corners of this Excel. Similarly, there are other options to choose. You can also select white and the complete screen will go white here. Now, the last one that we have is colorful again or use system setting. Now, in order to access this switch mode option, you have two options. First, either you can simply select black under this office theme, or you can select use system setting. Once you're going to click on use system setting, you need to make sure the default settings of your computer should be in dark mode, not in the light mode. If you are using the light mode in your laptop or in your computer, you won't get that option. To change it to the dark mode first, and even if I'm going to use the system settings, I can see this option that says switch mode.